it's just so wrong. And the build-up was so good, you thought this is going to be amazing. It's just, you know, it's made to be wow. And then the moment it starts, it's like, just no. And so, the start of this song, the first verse of this song is about that situation where you're trying to get the girl off with gently, you know, you're just, just like, let go, let go, let go. And then the second verse is about a situation where you get involved with the girl, only this time she's the one who's going, oh shit. And so she's trying to let go of you, you know, and you're clinging on going, no, no, I love you. You love me, you know you do. You know, it's like, you're so sure. And then the third part of the song is about somebody else completely different. That you realize you're obsessed with somebody else anyway, and you were in denial for the other two, so it's a big mess. Does that make sense? No? That's just, Koreans don't do that kind of thing. No?
Don't hold yourself like that, 'cause you hurt your knee. And I kissed your mouth and goodbye. That's all I need. Don't build your world around volcanoes melt you down, and what I am to you is not real. And what I am to you, you do not need. And what I am to you is not what you mean to me. You give me miles and miles of mountains, and I ask for the sea. Don't throw yourself like that in front of me. And I kissed your mouth and back. Is that all you need? Don't drag my love around. Volcanoes melt, and what I am to you is not real. And what I am to you, you do not need. And what I am to you is not what you mean to me. You give me miles and miles of mountains, and I ask you for what I give to you. It's just what I'm going through. This is nothing new. No, no, just another phase of finding what I really need is what makes me bleed. And like a new disease, Lord, she's still too young to cheat. She's still too young. Still too young.
So how are Koreans at singing? Okay, that's hopeful. If anybody would like to sing with me, then I would invite a small group of people to come up on the stage on the sides, that side and this side, and just come up here and sing with me. So, anybody want to sing? Come on. You see the shyness of the Koreans now. I'd like about 50 people if possible. Oh my. Have we got you going one? Okay, yes, get started.